Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel on technical analysis and stock trade setups. We are going to look at Valiant Organic. Is showing a pullback trade from its lower lows and lower highs. As you can see, it has been forming a lower low, lower highs from the beginning of April 1st. First made a new high at 17th of May and then fell back to retest, and again till 6th of October makes a first lower high, and thereafter it has been in a downward trend. But recently we've been seeing that stock is showing some sign of pullback, mainly because of its RSI indicator, which is showing what we classically call as divergence. Divergence refers to as movement when the price and indicator have tendency to move in opposite direction. So as you can see, in last couple of days, since 30th of May, stock has been showing, RSI showing a positive divergence when the prices moves downward, while RSI fails to move, make a new low. As you can see from 27th of November, this is an hourly chart. From the 27th of November to 1st of December, hourly chart price has been moving lower, but RSI is kind of making a higher low. So it's a good setup for kind of a pullback trade, which we are going to discuss. So as you can see, it's in my hourly chart. If I draw a horizontal trend line, there is a supply area between 1121 and 1125, which we can safely assume as a resistance area on an hourly chart. So we have a good trade setup, which is a pullback trade from the lower lows, lower highs. As you can see, the stock wasn't able to break above it's a 20 moving average. As you can see in Bollinger Band, the trend line is pretty clear. Since 8th to 21st of December, the stock was moving below the trend line. Finally, it made a RSI low in around 20th of December, and then subsequently on 22nd it broke and retested 20 moving average again on 23rd, and then finally on 24th it is showing a sign that it will break above towards our target price of 1110 and 1120. So trade setup looks good as a pullback trade from the lower lows and lower high setup. So if you draw a trend line from a recent low of 21st and then subsequent retest of moving average at around 23rd, we can safely have a trade setup with a risk of around 35-36 rupees with a stop loss near 995-996 level, somewhere around that, which is around 36 rupees of stop loss, and we can assume a target at near our supply area of around 1123 from the current price of 1045-1046, which gives us a decent risk reward above 1:1. So it's a good trade setup for a pullback trade. So if we move back to our daily chart, let's remove the targets. You can clearly see that price made a new low, while RSI failed to make a new low. In fact, it made a higher low, making this trade a fairly high probable trade because RSI divergence are known to have a relatively better risk reward and high probability of success. So we can trade till our target of around 1125 as a pullback trade. As I'm saying, this is just a pullback trade. It's not a reversal trade. So trade accordingly. So we have a good trade setup. With the trade strategy, you can buy above 1045 with a stop loss below 999 with a target of 1095 and 1123. As I said earlier, we have a risk reward of 1.08 for a target of 1095 and 1.65 for the target of 1123. A good risk reward trade for a pullback trade. Hope you enjoyed this YouTube video. Thank you.